Hi everyone, my name is Brenda Tafoya and I work at the Jemez Historic Site. Today I will be preparing green chili stew, which food vendors would sell during Pueblo Independence Day, August 10th. Ingredients are green chili, white corn, squash, stewed tomatoes, and pork. I am going to cut them into cubes. I will now put them into a pot. The pork should be fried until they are brown. I will add 4 to 5 cups of water into the pot along with all the ingredients. Then I will add salt and let it boil for an hour. Make sure you stir it occasionally. I choose fry bread with the green chili stew. I hope you enjoyed my video. Until next time, you all be safe.